Just make it clear.
Still firing.
Get your teeth out. Time to hunt.
Underneath barn and up top barn.
Oh, I didn't get the up top, but I got underneath. There's two up top. Two up top barn.
Got me again. Fuck.
Don't go running into him.
One's in our spawn.
God damn it, he's in the building. He's in the
Damn it!
house.
He's really good.
Our spawn?
Yeah, Raul, he's in there. Was. Yeah, he's up in there.
Oh,
Enemy UAV overhead.
Go on that position.
I didn't know you can get a hit marker with the FAL in fucking hardcore. Wow.
Oh my god.
Grenade out!
He dead yet? Middle.
I ran through top, I didn't see him,
Okay.
but he might have moved.
Oh my god. Haywood, you're in my way, my bro.
Or maybe you were in my way.
Enemy personal radar in the air.
Oh shit.
Enemy VTOL. TKO.
Fuck. They're coming towards our right.
Enemy capacity inbound.
Dude, there's no way you're way back there. So stupid.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Dead. Almost dead.
You guys got it. Nice.
At the barn, burning
Heading toward the barn.
Fuck, he got me. He's going outside. He's going to the side entrance of the burning barn.
These guys are super
Stand
campy.
by.
Enemies halfway there. Step it
Two are
up.
at the side.
Enemy advanced UAV is in the air.
at burning barn.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, my connection sucks.
One guy's running across the water to the house.
He couldn't. There's no way he could see me. There's no way. Wow, that's some cheap ass shit right there.
Someone's in our spawn point.
They're almost down.
Oh shit. Sorry, Dustin.
Dude, I just killed that guy.
I didn't know who died.
Killed me? Jesus. Burning red. Don't go out there. He's
Enemy UAV overhead.
Fuck. He is on the burning roof on the backside, sniping down that path, the side path.
I got a marker in him, but
Enemy UAV overhead.
Fuck, he's on the rock. There's one guy on the rock now, the rock side.
Of course.
Enemy personal radar in the air.
dude, blue house, left side. Looking at the tree.
Friendly UAV online.
Changing max.
Grenade out!
Back in the barn.
Down and out. Personal radar in the air.
Got Brian. I knew it was purple.
Landing explosive.
Oh shit!
Can't get down. Changing max.
Oh fuck! In the middle. Fuck towards the
Enemy
right
personal
side.
radar in the air.
Towards the blue house side.
Running down the middle. Watch to your right, fellas.
Hard day, but we'll come back stronger.
That was rough. See, that was garbage. Oh my god. Garbage. They messed up our win streak. Yep, messed up our win streak.
Thanks a lot, Pam. Fuck yourself, Ike.
Oh damn!
Pam? Yeah? Coco Bill Run? No. You're too fat still. God. Just want a burrito. Peter does not want you.
We've got enemy inbound. Lock and load.
Oh, I'm just falling right in.
Taking control.
Left side bomb site. Damn.
Reloading.
Hayward using the gorilla.
Bomb site again. He's just, yeah, there you go. He's moving.
Changing back.
Got your back.
Might have spawn flipped.
Yep. Destruction. 2 are at the bridge.
Okay.
Got one bridge.
I need
No,
close air
middle,
support
middle,
on this target. Go away.
Yeah, left
I
side
got
bomb
one.
site. That same guy.
I got one guy at construction bridge.
online. UAV entering the AO.
Over here. Oh, no, he's up on the yard. God dang it.
X-ray down.
Got him.
Signal lost. UAV down.
Damn it.
Hostiles in
One guy's at the bomb
Freaking
site,
Batista.
by the I guess weapon shop.
I got him.
Yo, the circle, the half circled ruins area. He's looking out of it.
Oh, there's 2 of them. There's one in it and one below it.
this time, bastard.
Fuck.
Dude! God damn it, don't
Enemy
spawn me
personal
there.
radar in the air.
Alright, this guy could have single-handedly killed us all.
Oh fuck, this guy camping at the fucking sandbags.
I got him.
Oh,
Friendly VTOL on
Why didn't
station
I
for
spawn
Overwatch. Enemy care package inbound.
he's coming. He's with me.
We're halfway there, keep fighting.
He's right by the bomb site. The key stage, man. Alright, left. Go through the middle building or something. Good job, Pam. Pam. Nice.
Oh my god, one guy's camping back alley.
I got him. I can't get the T-station. That's way better than mine.
I got gunshot guy.
That's the guy. Arches.
Got Arches guy. Another Arches guy there. Got him.
Jesus, how many arches again? Another one. It's another one. Dude, I swear to God, left.
That's
Check
Oh
left.
god.
I got
Got a
him.
UAV on station, ready for
Damn it,
flyover.
dude, why am I the only one getting fucking shit on?
target
Cruise
eliminated.
missile, go for launch.
Changing mag.
Here we flipped
Got a
this.
reload. I'm with you.
Oh, no, there's one. Got him.
Enemy at the bridge.
Fuck.
Hostile down.
Friendly UAV overhead. Got a VTOL on station, ready to deploy.
I need close air support on this target.
This is our fight, stay focused.
Striker 3-3, Robbie.
Target
Enemy
eliminated.
shield turret on the field. Enemy care package inbound. Enemy cluster striking.
I
Friendly
need close air
sentry gun
support on this
online.
target.
Go away. Right on target. UAV entering the AO.
Where are they? Where they spawning?
Enemy personal radar in the air. Stand down, lads. They've had enough for one day.
Bad, not bad.